Sony CFD-S70 B review. My cassettes finally sound good again.
Last power outage, I grabbed my phone to play music, and the battery died in 20 minutes flat. Meanwhile, my dad's old boombox from 1998 was still blasting Springsteen like nothing happened. I officially felt attacked by my own generation. Ever felt like your modern gear fails exactly when you need it? Drop your worst dead battery betrayal below. That sinking feeling when the Wi-Fi dies and your entire music life is suddenly hostage to a $1,200 phone with 3% left. Frustrating. Embarrassing. You're left in silence while everyone else is still jamming. Imagine one box that runs on 6 cheap batteries, plays literally everything, and never needs an update.
Then the Sony CFD-S70 B showed up. CD player that eats scratch discs for breakfast, cassette deck that actually records from your phone, FM, AM tuner that pulls stations your car can't, mega bass that makes a $50 speaker blush, 6 C batteries that last through actual apocalypses, aux in so your Spotify playlist can join the party, and it's literally built like a tank from the 90s. True story. Hurricane party, power out for 12 hours, everyone's phone's dead by hour 3. Pulled out the CFD-S70 B, threw in some D cells, hit play on a mixtape my buddy made in 2003. Suddenly, we had a full-on dance floor while the neighbors sat in silence. That feeling when your $80 box becomes the hero of the night? Absolute king energy.
Here's what actually happens. Power goes out, you become the party. Cassettes sound warm again. Everyone asks, where'd you get that? You never worry about streaming outages ever again. Audio reviewers say the megabass on this thing punches way above its size class. One prepper channel tested it for 48 hours straight on batteries. It didn't even flinch. Workshop guys swear it's the only radio that survives sawdust and drops. A verified buyer said his 80-year-old dad uses it daily and smiles like it's 1985 again. My personal high? Using the cassette recorder to make my kid a bedtime mixtape of my voice reading stories. Fell asleep listening to it on repeat while I edited photos. Priceless. Biggest objection I see is, but it's old school. Cool, except it's also new school because it works when literally nothing else does. Thousands of us are quietly stockpiling these Sony CFD-S70 B units because once you experience music that doesn't need Wi-Fi, going back feels insane. Which format would you spin first? CD, tape, or radio? Tell me below.
Imagine never worrying about dead batteries, dead Wi-Fi, or dead streaming services again. Just pure, reliable music whenever you want it. Join the dads, preppers, workshop heroes, and secret nostalgics already living this bulletproof audio life with the Sony CFD-S70 B. The exact black one I use is moving fast because people keep buying them as emergency gifts. Click the link in the description right now to grab yours. Don't just watch, jump in and make sure your next blackout has a soundtrack today. Your future self is already dancing.